200 grand a year, yeah. Okay, boom. You're gonna buy your mum a house, 100%.
Yeah,
You want
yeah,
your mum patterned because you want to buy your mum a house because you want to know that your mum is safe, sound.
mm,
She don't have to worry about nothing. She can just live her life and just be normal, and money's not a thing.
mm,
So you buy the house, right? The next thing people just think is buy a house, bro. What about utilities, fam? So
exactly.
now you're paying the bills in that house. You're paying for the
Mm,
maintenance of that house. It's not just I buy a house and then I walk away. No, there's still ongoing bills, expenses with that house. If the boiler goes out, the fridge, anything happens, bro, you're gonna pay for that,
facts.
right? So that's
No,
that.
no, facts.
Yeah, you're probably even gonna give your mum an allowance, probably, because she's not working.
Mm,
So you're probably
yeah,
gonna give her
facts.
an allowance. You're not gonna let her live on a pension. So you're basically
No,
you're gonna
no.
be paying for your mum or your maybe your mum and your dad if they're both there. Yeah, you're gonna be
Mm,
paying for them.
no.
Then if you've got siblings, you're gonna have to pattern them as well. And if
Exactly.
your
This is
sibling
what I'm saying.
and if your siblings have kids, you're gonna have to pattern them. Oh my god,
And then
bro.
family back home as well.
Oh my god, don't even go
Cousin.
there, bro. Like, yeah, you go home. You want to go home, and now they know that you've got money. Now everybody wants a house.
And then another thing is that you can't even fully, in a place like London, especially as a black man, you
Mm.
can't actually enjoy your money properly because you're gonna have people watching you,
Mm-hmm.
plotting on you. You could
Mm-hmm.
potentially get robbed, like stuff
Mm-hmm.
like that. This is
Which
what people
happens
don't
all the
understand.
time. Yep.
Exactly, like you know.
Yeah,
So
bro.
like
Like
when
that's
people are,
it's mad, bro. Like, cause, bro, is you don't know. You people can come around, like you said, like you don't know who's real, who's fake. Then these people come around. They could be lining you up. You don't know. Like
exactly,
you girls could be lining you up. You don't know.
it's it's crazy. Like people don't understand. So it's like, yeah, that's what you're chasing. But then when you get there, it's like, okay, cool. You have all these other line of problems, yeah, that we've just stated,
Mm,
and then, bro, on top of that, it's like, okay, you get this money now.
mm.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna buy all these houses. You're gonna bang all these girls. You're gonna buy all these designer clothes. Okay, you've done it all. You've gone on holidays. You've done it. What happens after that when you've done it all? What happens after that?
I
Do you
don't
understand
know.
what I'm saying?
I don't know. Now you probably start. Oh, someone's gonna come to you. Oh, I got this business idea. Come, like, let's do a barber shop or some sign. I don't know,
No, no, no,
bruv.
no, 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 Richards. This. No, what I'm trying to say is that once you've done everything you want to do, it's
Mm.
like, what's the next high? Do you
Oh, okay, I got you. Cause it's like
do you
you've basically
understand?
maxed out. You've maxed out in it. So like, it's like what else is there's nothing to do. But I mean, at that
That
point, it's like if okay, for instance, if you're football being a footballer, then you're gonna focus mostly on that because and the other aspect as well, bro. Like, let's say if you are in one of these fields like entertainment or sports, yeah, which for the most
Mhm.
part, a lot of people they when people think of these high earning people, they're really thinking about entertainers and sportsmen, really.
Yeah, facts,
You get what
yeah.
I'm saying, yeah? So if you're one of those two, bro, your career can end any moment, bro.
That's facts.
Think about
You're a
it.
high paid employee. That's what you are.
High played in, yeah, bro. Like people act like, oh, yeah, oh, they get a million, this, that, the other. They're rich forever. Is it, bro? One house.
It
You could
depends.
buy
Only
one
only a small
house, and that's
percentage.
it. That's your piece gone. One house.
Only a small percentage are able to like make enough money where they don't have to work again. But that's how many are able to do that though?
Yeah, bro.
You
No,
know,
fam. They'll be living
only
in a
what an
flat.
Anthony
They'll be
Joshua
living in
or
an
Cristiano
apartment.
Ronaldo.
Yeah, this is what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, people, they focus on this top 1 percentile people, bro, walking around. Like,
Mm,
and oh, if you're not one of them, then you're brokey. That's stupid. That's stupid, bro. Bro,
facts,
like,
man.
nah, man.
Mm.
Nah, I'm not with it, bro.
And then and then another point I was gonna make here was about like like designer clothes. Yeah, I was talking to someone about this earlier.
Mm,
It's like okay, you know when you look deeply at how designer clothes are made, it's actually made for like what 10p or whatever they do.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
yeah,
Yeah. And then people put it in a shop and sell it for all these prices, and people go buy it and get excited. And I'm like, but you're making someone else richer, and then you're wearing clothes that was actually made for 10p. So you're actually an idiot.
yeah, yeah. You're paying
Do you
like
understand?
all
But
this drip. Yeah, you're literally paying for the label that's in the collar. You're paying for the label. Like for instance, Stone Island. What are you really paying for? The clothes are the same as any other clothes you see in Primark, but maybe
exactly.
the quality is a little bit better. But then you're really paying for that patch, Stone Island patch. That's what you're paying for.
But what are you? But you're buying it to prove what though? What are you like
Because a
to
lot
prove
of
that you've got
people are
money?
they because this is the thing, they don't realize that that doesn't make you the guy. This is what I was saying. Like, I can go to a club. I can go to a club in central London wearing a Primark t-shirt, and I'm carrying myself a certain way. Whereas next man, they're wearing £300 t-shirt in there to make themselves feel like to make themselves have that same feeling that I have.
It's facts,
Do you
man.
get what I'm saying? Like,
It's nonsense, bro. Like at the end of the day, it's just like, bro. At the end of the day, whoever, no matter what side of society you're in, even if you're in a mansion, you're still gonna sleep. If you're in a flat, you're still gonna live in a flat and sleep. No matter how big the bed is, the same clothes that are in Primark are still doing the same job that clothes in fucking Dior are doing. Do you understand? Same with cars.
oh, the cars.
Merc and
Oh
that.
my God. You got onto the cars, bro. Oh my days, bro.
It's just everything does the same job.
Do you know,
Like,
I really believe like cars are like, they are the number. I'm gonna do a video about cars, bro. That's the number one liability, bro. That people they break their neck for that whip, bro.
yeah, it's true.
Like, and
It's
that's literally
facts,
the
man.
number one thing that makes guys broke is their car, bro. Number one. Because a lot of times, if your car, anything happens, you need to go and get your car checked every time. Because and then the mechanic, they're trying to make money, so they're gonna tell you everything's wrong with it, and it's gonna cost this part and this labor and all of this, and yeah. So now you've paid the MOT. Now you're gonna have to come back and change some part, and bruv, like, and then petrol.
Yeah.
Consistently petrol burning, burning, bro, like, fam. And then we're not even talking about insurance, tax.
Yeah.
Like, bruh,
It's a madness,
it's
bro.
madness.
It's a cash loss, man.
It's straight away, bro. Straight away.
Yeah.
And the thing is,
Yeah,
when I was back in days when I was in like school, like, and my sister, she had a Merc in it, and like. I was like, oh my God, this car's sick. Oh, I want this. And my sister told me from when I was small, she was like, no, bruv. Like, don't look at it like this, because it's actually junk.
Yeah.
It's junk, bro. Like, is it
No,
like if you're doing it,
it's
you want to
nonsense.
do it to impress people? Impress who? It's junk. You're
People
doing it to impress
that
you. Really and truly, guys will do whatever it takes by any means necessary, risk my freedom
you get women.
to get a whip to impress people that don't care about you anyway and probably don't like
Facts.
you, or you're going to impress people that are only there because of your whip. They don't like you. Why do you think there's so many gold digger prank videos there? Yeah, a lot of them are fake, but it actually is a reflection of reality, bro. Because if it wasn't, people wouldn't watch those videos.